Listen closely as this mono sound comes directly from the center. It can get lost in the mix very easily. By using this simple technique, we can use the Haas Effect to widen this mono sound so it gives some space to be heard. It's a great technique because it doesn't fall victim to the out-of-phase issues other widening effects have. The first step is to go into your audio effects, then locate the delay. Drag the delay effect into your chain. We need to create an audio effects group by selecting the delay and hitting Command or Ctrl-G. Click on the chain list option. Then right-click and select Create Chain. We want to only have the delay effect on one of the chains. It should default to the first one. Set one chain hard left and the other hard right. Select the chain with the attached delay effect. Turn off filter. Turn down feedback to 0. Change sync to time value. You can adjust this to your preference, but the recommended value would be between 10 and 12 milliseconds. I like 11. Set the dry wet to 100%. Now have a listen to the difference. I hope you find this tip helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for my other 2-minute tip videos. See ya!